What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. So please give me a sec. So I'm back. As you can see, I've gotten a mic, so we won't be having any issue regarding mic anymore. Hopefully, this works very well. I got a very good mic, and also all thanks to one of my subscribers who suggested that he wanted to assist in getting assist me to get a mic. So though it wasn't a problem, but he took it upon himself to assist. So I want to say a very big thank you. And yep, moving forward, we are currently where we currently are at the market right now. A whole lot is going on geopolitically wise. Trump not willing to de-escalate this whole war stuff. Trump is now ready to de-escalate it now. And when something like that happens or something like this starts happening, it means that recession is finally going to be creeping or has finally crept into the market. So you could see clearly right here that we've kind of gotten rejected from this level. Now, I don't know if I should adjust this to this level right here, which seems to be, somewhat valid in a way. And maybe I'll have to leave it this way just for the sake of this video. Yeah, just for the sake of this video. You could see from the daily time frame, Bitcoin has gotten rejected from this bear flag pattern because I'm still sticking with this bear flag pattern regardless. So you could see clearly right here that Bitcoin has gotten rejected from the bear flag pattern. So what should we be expecting next right now from Bitcoin? If I should take all of this away, you could see clearly that things are still going according to my plan. Nothing really much has changed. Sorry about that. So right now you could see clearly that Bitcoin has gotten rejected and it first broke below this support right here at 67,900 or 800, 900 level. We retested this level. We are most likely going to be getting this candle right here, this daily candle, which is today, Thursday, will be the confirmation candle. So right now, it all depends on where we're currently and why the market is currently down. So right now, you could see clearly right here that if I should bring this out right here, you could see summary of President Trump's address to the nation. So these are one of the key points that we could highlight from his address. Yes, today, which was this morning, my time, the Iran war will last another 2 to 3 weeks. So roughly the month of April will most likely be bearish due to this war, and the US will strike Iranian power plants if no deal is reached. So within 2 to 3 weeks, if no deal is reached, the US will strike the Iranian power plant. So core strategic objectives are close to completion in Iran. So the US will bring Iran back to the Stone Age, meaning they will definitely decimate. Obviously, this is Trump, throwing threats here and there. So the US will not import oil from the Strait of Hormuz in the future, which is a lie. We both know that. We all know that's a lie. Iran's navy is gone and their air force is in ruins. We shall see about that. US oil prices are surging above $103 per barrel, which is true, back to where we currently are right now. So according to my own take on this, nothing really much is going on. Obviously, there are threats here and there, and inflation in prices, commodities, everything is taking place right now. So left to me, I think these are just what I just playing on the surface level for people to be scared, for the economy to be shaked a little bit. Trust me, for things to go down. These are just, the politicians manipulating stuff as they do. But this is definitely something that is not good. This isn't a good situation regardless. But these are just two people's egos or two presidents or two leaders' pride trying to go against one another, who is going to back down first. So at the end of the day, obviously, I don't think the war will escalate to the extent at which Trump is making it seem. So, as we can see right here, crude oil is very well very elevated right now. We've broken major resistance right here at you could see we broke below this resistance at $97, got into this other resistance from the fib level at $103, dropped all the way down to $97.76, found support around there. You could see us breaking above $103, currently at $106.20 currently. So I think we should be expecting this breakout and a retest right here at $103.82. Once we're able to find support around here, we could rally much higher. Now, what is crazy right now is the fact that the New York has not opened. The New York market hasn't opened, because the moment it opens, I think we are most likely going to get a massive pullback on the S&P 500, which has not still changed my prediction on the S&P 500. If you look at it from the weekly time frame right here, you could see we are still very much bearish as ever. You could see all the way from this resistance right here at 6,970. We are pulling back to this major support at $6,185. So you could see right here, even gold is bearish. Gold is very much bearish right here. So gold has retested resistance, and I think with the look of things, we are most likely going to see gold being bearish from the 4 hours time frame right here. You could see we've retested major resistance, we've gotten rejected from that level, and with the way things are looking, I would say right now that we are most likely going to see gold break below the support at 4,575, retest and probably drop all the way down to $4,345 for gold. Now, back to Bitcoin right here. You already know what I am standing on right here. Bitcoin getting rejected from major resistance. And with the look of things, looking at Bitcoin from the other chart, nothing has obviously changed. Everything is still the same right now, as you can see. So I think at the end of the day, the markets will most likely be bearish today. We've gotten rejected from this major resistance right here at 69,156. So we could drop all the way down to 64,800 as our first major support. And with the look of things, if this support does not hold, we're most likely going to retest it and drop all the way down to $57,000. So we should definitely have this at the back of our minds, guys. So lastly, on this major chart right here, you could see we've broke below major support. So I think at the end of the day, I'll most likely follow this chart right here, this bear flag pattern right here, because it is definitely what I've been following for a very long time. So without wasting much of your time, things are most likely going to be getting ugly in the month of April with the look of things, except we end up getting probably the Clarity Act getting approved and it becomes very bullish. Then we could rally into this major highs at $73 to $76,000. So I think this is majorly what we should be expecting from Bitcoin. Very much bearish. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. As you can see, the mic is in perfect condition right now. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.